If you're wanting to add your own set of instructions into a quiz or a test you're building in ALEKS, you can do so by using the My Questions tool. You'll click on the My Questions tool, which is our question authoring tool, and you can click on Plus New to create your own question. I have one already made in here that's just called Exam Instructions. I use the free response manually graded tool because I'm not actually going to grade this question within the assignment, and I added my instructions here. Once you have your My Question created, you can go into the class that you're wanting to add it to. And in the class you're wanting to add it to, you'll go into your assignments. And if you've already built a test or a quiz, you can edit that to add this question in, but I'm going to go ahead and just create a new test. I can label it in here Exam 1, I can date it as needed, and then from the Add Questions From, the first question is going to be that set of instructions. So I'm going to head down to the My Questions where I'm picking from My Questions. I will see all my questions I've created. I'm going to add that exam instructions as the first question, and then I'm going to go in and pick my other content for this exam by just going into either textbook questions or ALEKS topics and adding them as needed. Because those instructions were not actually a graded part of the exam, I'm going to go over here on the right-hand side and make that question worth 0 points. And then you'll go through and pick your settings and you can move on from there, but just make sure you make the question first and then add it as you're creating the exam.